What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fonte Cam. We back, man. Listen, today's video, I will be getting a cut from the one and only Boom to the G to the I-O.
What's good, what's going on? She got Boom to the G to the I. We back on another video. As you can see, my guy needs a cut, man.
Real bad, man.
Cut, man.
No cap.
So what we about to do is, we're gonna bring him back to life. Stay tuned. Let's do it.
I'm rich, you wanna know why? I addict, I love to get high. Look, I'm way in the sky. I'm flickety fly. Wake up in the morning, I put that shit on and I don't even try. I fuck with no horn in the clip or the board and no time to say bye. Yeah, let's hop in the ride. He'll get a red out of why, buddy, why? I'ma pull up, I'm already outside. I show you trust, keep the real on your side. We turning up when the enemy die. Run that shit up, split this shit with your guys. I watch these fuck niggas, I know they despise. They call me. Say that I am. Some calling me a prophet and just a holy man, but I'm Jesus Christ, yeah, the man with a plan. Voodoo man say that I am. Voodoo man. could do is stay out. We get so lit up in the church, we celebrate him. Sound man, can you put this song on blast? For the saints in the body start to dance. I know, you know, that they gon' start to dance when you play this.
Cause baby girl, you be tripping for no reason. I told you once, I told you twice that you ain't leaving. I want you hiding, baby, we don't keep no secrets. The way you look at me, I swear that I be geeking. I be geeking, that pussy leaking. That pussy so fucking wet, it had me sinking. Them titties peeking, you know I'm seeking. Now I'm fucking on your hoe, you don't even know. Pull up with that cutter, let that bitch fucking go. Like a bad hoe, she a bad hoe. Yeah, she caught my eye, she like fine wine. She said I look so fly, she said I'm fucking fine.
Listen, man, the one and only Boom to the G to the I got me right. You know what the business is. What do you think you gotta say to the people, man?
Hey man, for more content like just like this, type in Instagram, go
Yeah.
at Boom Cuts.
Yeah.
You see content just like this.
Say
Boom
that.
G on the tube. We come with the barber content soon. Don't
Let's
sleep.
go.
Best barber alive.
You know that. Let's go. Crazy, boy. Malachi, you're next. You need that haircut. You're next. Let's go. Yeah, cut. Boom to the G to the I. We'll get into that work. Yo, boom to the G to the I. We'll be snapping every day, every time of the day. Every time he touches them clippers, he snaps. He's him. He's gonna get you right. Sanders is over there. Sanders, yes.
Niggas look clean as fuck. Like, what
Yeah.
the fuck? Those are whole new guys and shit. What the fuck?
Yeah,
Hey, man.
We out here, man.
Girls caking.
Loves the caker. Loves the caker.
Who?
Fammer.
Playing game and shit. Oh, what you playing? We playing buckshot roulette. Say what's up to the child.
Say what's up.
We outside. Outside, bro, but like, nah. What y'all on? I'm trying to figure out what y'all on.
These niggas about to get their haircut and slide. Yeah, man, you get that cut. Factual. Factual. You feel it? The one and only though. Yes, sir. Nah, yeah, he's a great guy. No cap. Yes, sir, family.
I just came out here to feel but y'all niggas out
Yes, sir, we out here, man. Playing that game. Say what's up, Sid.
Yo,
Yes, sir. Say what's up. Yes, sir. Get it in there. Let's do it. Yes, sir. We out here. Play that NCAA. Yes, sir. We did. It's what we do. The family comes together and we chill. This is what we do. The family comes together and we chill. That's what we do. All right. This is what we do. Oh, sure. Wait, hold on. That's a what's the name cut? Hold on. Going ballistics. Hold on.
At Boom Cuts.
Boom Cuts. I'm gonna put it on the screen though. They gonna know what, you know what I'm saying? You know that. Yeah, man, it'll let. Whew, I done dyed my hair, boy. You know what I'm saying? Fresh cut by Boom. Playing, boy. I done dyed it. Fresh cut by Boom. Come on now. You know what it is, baby. You know. Late night. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Boy, getting it right, man. Late night. You feel me? Late night. Yes, sir. What's good, y'all? You feel me? Listen, it's the next day, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Real talk, man. Feel me? I'm gonna be most videos from now on will be like, you feel me,
stream videos that I make from my streams. You feel me? Those are the type of videos I'm gonna be posting right now. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, bruh. And y'all peep the hair, man. Y'all fuck with it, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I dyed it. You know what I'm saying? Brown. Dyed some of it brown. You feel me? But yeah, and I blue dried I know y'all see like in the show my clips were shorter, but I mean my hair in the other clips and shit, in other videos my hair was shorter, but now that shit long. And I ain't gonna lie, to be honest, I didn't know my hair was this damn long. But I told my auntie, I was like, auntie, my hair always be shrinking. And she was like, because you don't blow dry your hair out before you twist it. I was like, yo, that's crazy. That's insane. She blow dried my hair, gang. My shit was crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, my hair long as shit. Cause like when my shrinkage, my hair be like right here. I'll pull that shit all the way down here. I'm like, bro, what? That makes no sense. But you know what I'm saying? She got me right. Shout out Auntie Marie. I appreciate you. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But we lit. I'm gonna start blow drying my hair. You know what I'm saying? Got that length, real length. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all fuck with it though. I fuck with this shit heavy, no cap. My cousin got me right with the cut. It was, it was like 2 days ago, but my cousin got me right with the clippers, you feel me? Shout out Boom Geo. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Cooler video, cooler vlog type shit. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. We on soon. You feel me? We on soon. You gotta keep grinding, keep going. And trust in God. You feel me? So let's keep going. Let's keep grinding, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Remember, slow motion is better than no motion. Fast motion even better. Keep God in your life. We out. I love y'all. Peace.